In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Slack, whether you're traveling or just need to adjust it for other reasons. Setting the correct time zone in your Slack workspace ensures that all your messages, reminders, and notifications are perfectly aligned with your schedule. Let's jump right in, making sure our Slack experience is as seamless as possible. First, you want to open the Slack desktop app, or you can just go to Slack through your web browser. Either way, you'll need to log into the workspace where you wish to change the time zone. It's important to note that you must have a valid login for this process, as the change settings will impact how timestamps appear across messages and reminders in Slack. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. You'll do this by looking at the top right corner of your screen where your profile picture is displayed. Click on it. When you see the drop-down menu, find and select Profile and Account or View Profile. This step is crucial because you can't change the time zone directly from the app. You need to access your account settings via a browser. Next, you'll find three dots, also known as the More menu. Click on this and then choose Account Settings. This will direct you to your Slack account settings in your browser. While it might feel like a detour, this is where the magic happens. Now let's find the time zone settings. Scroll down through your account settings until you see the section labeled time zone. Here you'll see the time zone currently set for your Slack account. Sometimes people don't realize that Slack isn't automatically aligned with their local time, making this step an eye-opener for some. To make the change, click on either Expand or Edit next to the time zone option, whichever is visible to you. Doing this will bring up a drop-down list where you can select your correct time zone. Scrolling through the list, make sure to find the one that matches your current location. For those who travel frequently or forget to change this setting often, there's a helpful option. You can set Slack to automatically adjust based on your computer's time zone. This feature is a true lifesaver, ensuring that no matter where you are, Slack stays updated with the right local time. Just make sure your computer is set correctly. Finally, you need to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. It's a simple step, but it seals the deal and ensures your adjustments are registered. Now, your Slack workspace will display all timestamps from messages to scheduled reminders according to your updated time zone. By taking these steps, you ensure a more synchronized Slack experience, preventing any confusion caused by incorrect time settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Slack tutorials.